Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next video. In this video we are going to solve three problems of mathematical methods in physics. Okay. All these three problems have been chosen from the book Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Dennis G. Zill. Okay. As usual we first come to its statement. Okay. Mathematical methods in physics, MMP problem number 15. Let a vector be equal to 2i plus 3j minus 4k while b vector is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Find component of b on a and component of a on b. Okay, dear students, now we are going to its solution. But before going to into solution in a proper manner, formal manner, we are going through a snapshot which will provide a foundation or a basis for our solution. Okay, component of A on B. Dear students, all this snapshot is relevant, but here we take into consideration only the conclusion of this snapshot. Okay, conclusion of this snapshot is this, about which mouse this sign is moving. Okay, mouse or perhaps cursor, etc. Okay, this component of B on A is equal to A dot 1 over B magnitude into B, which is equivalently equal to A dot B over B magnitude. Okay, we will omit this intermediate step and we will take directly component of B A equal to A dot B over B magnitude. Okay, dear students, from here we must keep in mind that component of B on A, here B is written as a subscript of as a subscript. Okay, so letter written as a subscript becomes in a denominator as a magnitude, while other vector becomes in the denominator in the first place. Okay, A dot B, not B dot A. Okay, B is in the denominator and its magnitude is to be considered, is taken into consideration, while other vector A is taken as a dot product with the subscript vector, and this A is first multiplied, A dot B. Okay, now let us see component of B on A. Okay, is equal to A dot B over B magnitude, as B is written as a subscript, so B becomes in the denominator and it is in magnitude form, while A becomes in a numerator and it is taken as dot product with B. Okay, so dear students, A dot B is equal to this. How this A dot B is equal to, it will be 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into 2 8. Okay, 2 plus 3 minus 8, 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8, 2 plus 3 minus 8, 2 plus 3 minus 8, 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 8, 2 plus 3 minus 8, 2 plus 3 minus 8. Okay, divided by B magnitude, divided by B magnitude. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, under root 1 square, that is 1 plus 4, that is 6 under root. Okay, B magnitude is 6 under root, 6 under root. Okay, this is minus 3 over 6 under root. It can be written as minus 3 under root into 3 under root. This can be written as 3 under root into 2 under root. 3 under root will be cancelled with 0 and we will get the answer minus 3 under root by 2. Okay. Now similarly component of A on B, here A will be written as in denominator and it will be in magnitude, while A dot B is taken as a dot product in the numerator. Okay. Here A magnitude A magnitude 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 16. Okay, 4 plus 9 13 and 13 plus 16 29. Okay, 29. Okay, yes, this is 29. Now we come towards A dot B, and A dot B is same as it was here. Okay, A dot B is equal to minus 3. So its answer is minus 3 over 29 under root. Okay, next two problems are just a copy version of the above problem. Only values are changed. Okay, theory exact procedure same, method same. Okay, same. Let A equal to this and B equal to this. Find component of B on A and component of A on B. Solution: component of BA is equal to A dot B over B. Dear students, here we see that B magnitude becomes 4 plus 36, 40 plus 9, 49, and 49 under root will be 7. Okay, 7. Yes, 7. Now A dot B, 1 into 2 minus 6 plus 9, 2 minus 6 plus 9, 2 minus 6 plus 9, 2 minus 6 plus, okay, 2 minus 6 plus 9 divided by, sorry, 11. How 11? We see that how A yes, 1 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 11. Okay, yes, this is A magnitude will be equal to 11 and A dot will be equal to 2 minus 6 plus 9, 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus 9 plus 5. Okay, plus 5, and hence 5 over 7. Exactly. Now component of A on B, A becomes in the denominator and it is taken as a magnitude. A magnitude is the same in A magnitude. Now we are taking A magnitude 1 plus 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 3 9 3 11. Yes, dear students, 1 plus 1 2 plus 9 11. Okay, 11. Yes, 11. Now A dot B 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus 9 plus 5 by 7. Okay, exactly. Now component of A on B, A dot B over A equal to 2 minus 6 plus 9 over 1 plus 9 is equal to 5 over 11. Okay, similarly is the third problem, that is problem number 17. Let A equal to this and B equal to, find component of A on B minus A and component of 2B on A plus B. Okay, dear students, this is exactly same. The only difference is that here in place of B we are taking B minus A, and here similarly here in place of B we are taking 2B and here A plus B. Okay, when method is understood, then problem becomes almost meaningless. Component of A on B minus A is equal to B minus A dot A over A magnitude. Okay, this is B minus A, this is dot A divided by A magnitude is 11. Okay, Now we take a dot b, 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 7. Okay, 1 minus 7, 1 minus 7 equal to minus 6. Okay, exactly. Now component of 2b into a plus b equal to a plus b dot 2b over 2b. Okay, this is a plus b, this is 2b. Okay, b multiplied by 2 becomes this, divided by 2b magnitude. Okay, 2b magnitude, 2b magnitude, 2b magnitude, 2b magnitude, 2b. Okay, 2, it means 4 plus 12 plus 9. Oh, no, 4 plus 12 plus 6. 4 square 16, 12 square 144, and 6 square 36. Okay, exactly same. 16 plus 144 plus 36, this becomes equal to 196, and this is square of 14, and a dot b becomes 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 50, 12, 60, and 6 into 6, 36. This becomes equal to 108. These two will be cancelled by 2, 2, 54 by 7. Okay, our answer becomes 54 by 7. This is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.